Hello,
Hi there. Where are you going?
I'm going to Tokyo. I have a business meeting tomorrow.
Tokyo? I went there last year. It's a beautiful city.
Really? What did you do there?
I visited the Tokyo Tower and took a stroll in the Imperial Palace East Garden.
That sounds amazing. I want to see the Tokyo Tower too.
You should also try some sushi at the Tsukiji Fish Market.
I've heard a lot about it. How late do you think the flight is going to be?
I'm not sure. Let's check the board.
Okay, let me see. Our flight is delayed by about an hour.
Oh no, that's too bad. I'm running a bit short on time.
Don't worry, we can grab a snack or something while we wait.
That sounds good. Where can we find something to eat?
Let's go to that cafe over there. I've been there before.
Okay, sounds good to me.
I'll go get us a table.
I'll get the menu.
What do you recommend?
The sandwiches are really good, but I had the salad last time and it was great.
I'll try the sandwich.
Good choice. I'll have the salad.
I'll go order for us.
Sounds good.
I'm back. Our food will be out in a few minutes.
Great, thanks.
So, do you have any plans for the rest of the day?
Just heading back home after my flight. I have work tomorrow.
Okay, well, it was nice chatting with you. Maybe I'll see you around sometime.
Definitely. Have a safe trip to Tokyo.
Thanks, you too. Goodbye.
Bye.
I think our flight is boarding now.
Okay, I'm going to go check. Nice meeting you, Adam.
You too, Sarah. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.